Thank you for watching this week's Tip of the Week. Winter time is a great time to start getting yourself set up for springtime and thinking about that production end. What I want to talk about is how I've set up this excavator with an extension cord. So when I'm running, say, our 200E, our Vac Max attached to our machine package, I can simply take an extension cord and I've zip tied it to my hydraulic lines all up over the stick. Again, giving myself plenty of flexibility for movement when I'm moving my arm. But then I can bring it down. Make sure you kind of follow the same hydraulic motion of these lines. Obviously there's going to be some movement through here because of your extension and whatnot. And then I've coiled it up on this machine just inside here. I have a toolbox on the other side. So I've coiled it up into there. And then I can simply run it around when I want to use that. I can run it around to a simple small generator like this that can power a lot of our equipment. A lot of our equipment does not have a lot of draw to it. So even just a small little generator such as this, then I can even ratchet strap it down. You obviously don't want to be driving around a job site like this, but if I'm just sitting standard in one spot trying to set products, you can obviously just set it up there. But very simple way to get power out to the end of your stick. You can also have the option of running an inverter. So just a simple tip of the week that you can think about. This speeds up efficiencies, eliminates that grueling pallet to pavement pain where you're picking these heavy products and trying to get them in the ground. Or if you got an excavator on site, simple system, simple tools, makes it a breeze.
You can sign up for our Tip of the Week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.